peace and excellent as well. Actually, the good thing about this place is like it is away from the crowd, I guess, and it's in the good spot as well. And the thing is, they lost their house with house burn, like fire. They come like 3 years ago, and after that they rebuilt it. So it's good to give them business. The people are good as well. So up there, that's Poonhill. We went there in the morning.